Before powering on, it is necessary to insert a TF memory card with a maximum capacity of 128 GB. Press the power button to turn on the device while it is turned off, and then press and hold the power button to turn it off. In standby mode, it is in recording mode. Press the mode key to switch to the camera mode in sequence. Look back mode, look back and flip down. Long press the mode key to exit to standby recording mode. Press the power button to take photos or record videos, and the blue light will flash. Press the power button again to stop recording. In recording mode, press the mode key to lock the file. After locking, the recorded files will not be erased in a loop. In standby mode, press the confirm button to enter the settings interface. Press the power button to scroll down. Press the mode key to flip up. Press the confirm key to access the settings. Select the parameters and press the confirm button to confirm and exit. Long press the mode key to return to the next level up. Scan the RoadCam app QR code on your phone to download and install it. Long press the Wi-Fi button to turn on Wi-Fi. Find a Wi-Fi starting with the name S110 in the mobile Wi-Fi list. Enter the password prompted by the host to connect. Open the app and click on the camera icon on the homepage to connect to the host. After successful connection, the phone can record, take photos, view and download albums on the device. Use Type-C charging cable for charging. The red light is on when charging and it goes off when fully charged.